One, two, three.
Every day I wake up and it's Sunday. Whatever's in my head I won't go away. The radio is playing all the usual. And what's so wonderful anyway? Because my inside is outside, my right side's on the left side. 'Cause I'm waiting to reach you now, but I might never reach you. Only want to teach you about you, but that's not you. It's good to know that you are home for Christmas. It's good to know that you